Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video I am going to show you how to apply for Railcard. Railcard is discount card intended to encourage leisure travel by rail by offering discounts. To apply for Railcard, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar at top and type www.railcard.co.uk. UK stands for Web Code of United Kingdoms. With that, press on enter and you will be taken to the official website of Railcard. Now here you can see choose your Railcard option. Click on choose your Railcard. Then here you can find various kind of Railcards. Now click on the type of Railcard that you want to choose. With that, here you'll be taken to the application page. Now here you can see the description of the Railcard that you have chosen on the top. Now click on buy now option. Then here you'll be guided to another page. On the top here you can see the introduction of the type of Railcard that you have chosen. Mine is family and friend Railcard. Now here you can select the duration of Railcard, whether it is for 3 years or for 1 year. Then here you need to choose the type of Railcard you like, whether you like digital Railcard that is downloaded to your phone or your plastic Railcard that is sent by post on your UK address only. After selecting the type, if you have promotional code, then you can enter in the given box. Then click on apply code. Now select who is the Railcard purchased for, whether it is for yourself or for somebody else. Mine is for myself, so I'm clicking on the given option. Now view through the terms and conditions. Then click on I have read and accept the terms and condition. Then click on the option that you accept the following Railcard type condition. With that, here you can see additional information. Now click on continue. Now you'll be guided to another page. Now here you can see the following information are required to complete your application, that is a valid debit or credit card information, passport style photo of yours, or if you are buying for someone else, you need the details regarding their email address and other information. With that, click on continue. Now here you need to provide your information. First, select the title of the main holder of the credit card. Then enter your first name on the given box. Now enter your last name on the given box. With that, enter your UK phone number on the given box. Now here, if you want to enter or add a secondary card holder, then you can click on the given box. After doing so, you need to enter the information regarding that card holder. After filling all information, click on continue. Now here you'll be guided to another page. Now here you need to upload your photo. Your photos must meet the rules of Railcard photos. The photo file format is JPEG or PNG. Photo size must be under 5 MB. So to know the guide, once click on the blue highlighted line and view through all the guide before you continue with adding your picture. Click here to view the photo guide. If you want to select photo from your library on your laptop or your PC, then click on choose file. With that, here you can see your library. Now click on any folder in which your photo is saved. Then select your photo and click on the option of save. After that, on the downside here you can see how your photo should look. Once view through all the information and check whether this condition matches your photo or not. After your photo gets uploaded, here you can see various of features that you can do to change or edit your photo. You can crop your photo however you like. After editing your photo, click on the option of save. With that, your photo will be saved. After your photo gets uploaded, click on continue. To continue the further process, you need to log in to your Railcard account. So click on the option of register/login. With that, here you'll be taken to the login page. Now here you need to first enter your email address on the given box. Then enter your password of your account on the given box. If you have forgotten your password, click on I have forgotten my password. If you haven't registered to your account, then click on the option of register. After entering all the information, click on the option of login. After logging in, you need to add your billing address, your card details, and you need to pay certain amount of fee so that you can apply for the card. When your online payment will be successful, you'll receive an email for confirmation. The email will show all the details that you have entered. So once review all the details shown on your mail. With that, now here you need to confirm your mail. It will take some time to confirm your mail. After you apply for Railcard, your application will be reviewed. It will take few days so that your application will be reviewed. You'll get notification about your Railcard through your mail or your phone number. This is how we can apply for a Railcard on your PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.